Every week, developers release new open-source projects on GitHub, and this is our weekly GitHub project update video, covering the best of them. Top trending open-source GitHub projects this week, you'll discover useful and trending developer tools, from local Mac utilities to AI agent skills. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. All right, let's get into today's video.
Project number 1, Ratel, an in-source open-source desktop app for sharing AI workflows. OpenWork is a free open-source desktop app for sharing AI workflows across macOS, Windows, and Linux. You add one OpenWork MCP to Codex, Claude Code, Cursor, or another compatible agent to reuse the same skills, MCPs, and connected services across tools, teammates, and machines. Install it and share your first workflow. Project number 2, Last 30 Days, AI agent skill that searches people, not editors. Last 30 Days is an open source agent skill that researches any topic across Reddit, X, HN, Polymarket, GitHub, and more, then synthesizes one grounded, cited brief. It scores results by real engagement using your own keys and browser sessions, and installs into Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, and other hosts. Install it and research the last 30 days. Project number 3, Kaneo, open source, self-hosted project management for teams. Kaneo is an open source, self-hosted project management tool built to stay simple instead of piling on features. Your data lives on your own server and you deploy it with its Drim CLI, Docker Compose, or a Helm chart on Kubernetes. It's built with React, TypeScript, Hano, and Postgres. Deploy it and manage your projects. Project number 4, Book2Skill. Turn technical books into on-demand agent skills. Book2Skill is an open-source agent skill that turns a book, folder, or document set into a structured skill your agent loads on demand. It extracts frameworks, patterns, and per-chapter files locally, so your agent answers from the real content. It works in Claude Code, Copilot CLI, and AMP. Point it at a book and start querying. Project number 5, GeoLibre. Lightweight, cloud-native desktop GIS application. GeoLibre is an open-source, cloud-native desktop GIS built with Tauri, React, TypeScript, and MapLibre.js. It loads local GeoJSON, GeoParquet, GeoPackage, and shapefile layers, styles them live, shows attribute tables, and saves projects. A plugin system and optional Python fast API sidecar handle extras and heavier processing. Clone it and map your spatial data. Project number 6, bitchat, decentralized peer-to-peer messaging over Bluetooth and Nostr. Bitchat is a decentralized public domain messaging app with no accounts, phone numbers, or servers. It runs on a local Bluetooth mesh for offline chat, and the Nostr protocol for global reach, choosing the best transport automatically. Private messages use end-to-end encryption, and it's a native iOS and macOS app. Build it and message off-grid. Project number 7, Box3D, open source 3D physics engine for games. Box3D is an open source 3D physics engine for games, written in Portable C17. It simulates rigid bodies with continuous collision detection, convex hulls, capsules, spheres, and meshes, plus many joint types with limits, motors, and springs. It uses multi-threading and SIMD for large piles of bodies, builds with CMake on Windows, Linux, and macOS, and has no dependencies. Link it and start simulating. Project number 8, Mont's Awesome LLM Apps, ready-to-run templates for AI agents and RAG. Awesome LLM Apps is an open-source collection of ready-to-run templates for building AI agents and RAG applications. Each self-contained project ships full source code across categories like multi-agent teams, voice agents, MCP agents, and memory. They're provider agnostic and mostly Python. Fork a template and build on it. Project number 9, Impeccable, design guidance that sharpens AI coding agents. Impeccable is an open-source design skill that makes AI coding agents better at front-end design. It installs into Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Codex, and Copilot, giving your agent design commands like polish and audit. A standalone CLI and browser extension run 46 deterministic rules that catch common AI design tells. Install it and sharpen your interfaces. Project number 10, Shuol. Fully local macOS meeting recorder and transcriber. Shuol is a minimal, fully local macOS meeting recorder and transcriber. One menu bar click records your mic and system audio as two separate tracks. On stop, it transcribes both on-device into a speaker tag transcript. Nothing leaves your machine. It's a single Swift binary using Core Audio and Parakeet. Build it and record your next meeting. Project number 11, the Unsloth Zoo. Shared utilities powering the Unsloth training library. Unsloth Zoo is an open-source Python package of shared utilities for Unsloth, which fine-tunes and trains large language models faster, with less VRAM. It supports full fine-tuning, LoRa, 4-bit, 8-bit, and reinforcement learning like DPO and GRPO across many model families. It installs with pip alongside Unsloth and works with Hugging Face TRL. Install it and fine-tune your model. Project number 12, Mole. Clean, uninstall, and monitor your Mac from the terminal. Mole is a free open-source command line tool that cleans, uninstalls, analyzes, optimizes, and monitors your Mac. In one binary, it removes caches and app leftovers, wipes hidden remnants of uninstalled apps, visualizes disk usage, purges build artifacts, and shows live CPU, memory, and disk stats. Dry run previews keep it safe. Install it with Homebrew and reclaim space. Project number 13, Hubble.md. Free Markdown notepad shared with your agents. Hubble is a free open-source note-taking app for you and your agents, backed by Markdown and HTML. It offers a familiar Notion-style writing experience with slash commands, Markdown shortcuts, and front matter, and point your agent at your notes folder to collaborate as it live reloads. With skills, agents build HTML views, like tables or maps. Download it and start writing. Project number 14, Native SDK. Toolkit for building native desktop apps. Native SDK is an open-source toolkit for building native desktop apps without a browser or WebView. Views are declarative markup in dist. Native files. Logic is plain Zig, and its own engine draws every pixel into real OS windows. Every app embeds an automation server, so agents can drive it. Install the CLI and native init your first app. Project number 15, Dokku. Docker-powered self-hosted PaaS for your apps. Dokku is an open-source, Docker-powered PaaS that helps you build and manage the lifecycle of applications on your own server. It's a small, self-hosted Heroku alternative. You git push your app, and Dokku builds it with build packs or Docker files, and runs it. Install it on a fresh Ubuntu or Debian VM, and deploy your app. Project number 16, Decimen Optical Transfer. Fountain-coded QR file transfer over light. Decimen Optical Transfer is an open-source, browser-based tool that sends a file between two devices using only a screen and a camera. One page streams the file as animated, fountain-coded QR codes. Another device films them and reconstructs the file with no network, pairing, or app. Run the dev server and transfer over light. Project number 17, OpenSlides. Offline desktop app for animated code presentations. OpenSlides is a free, open-source, offline desktop app for turning code into polished, animated slides. You add code to slides, pick lines to explain, and it builds stepped highlights with smooth magic move transitions, syntax themes, and autoplay. Everything stays on your machine. Built with Tari, Rust, and React for macOS and Windows. Download it and present your code. Project number 18, World Model Optimizer. Improve models from your agent traces continuously. World Model Optimizer, LLM, is a command line tool that turns agent traces you already collect into continuously improving models. You register providers, tune a routing policy on your OTel traces, then serve an endpoint that keeps improving through world model simulations, harness optimization, and distillation. Install it with pip and build your endpoint. Project number 19, FindDiskKiller. Native macOS monitor, showing what uses your disk. FindDiskKiller is an open-source native macOS app that shows which applications keep your disk busy. It tracks per-app CPU, disk I/O, network, and file activity, lets you trace a folder's reads and writes, and reports smart and NVMe drive health. Everything runs locally, with no telemetry. Install it and find your disk killer. Project number 20, Ratel context engineering platform that selects agent tools. Ratel is an in-process context engineering platform that decides what enters an AI agent's context window each turn. Its first job is tool selection, register tools, or ingest an MCP server, and the model sees only the handful that matter, retrieved by BM25 with no vector database or embeddings. It ships a Rust core, TypeScript SDK, MCP server, and CLI. Install it and trim your agent's context. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.